and welcome to my college dorm haul. This is all the stuff that I bought. First, I'm just gonna start off with some of the things I don't have right now because I didn't feel like bringing them up the stairs. I got one of those lamps. I'll put a picture in. I got it from Goodwill for $6. I've also got this like air fryer, but I didn't buy it. My uncle gave it to my mom, and he also gave her a toaster, so I might be taking both of those because I really like toasted bread. Into this bag from Goodwill, I got this pot. I'm gonna boil her, and she looks like really good, like ceramic. She also looks kind of non-stick, so that's why we wanted to get her. And I got this pan. I don't want to take it out of the bag, but it's nice, and it was $2.99, and they were selling it for more money online. So always think about going to the thrift store before you buy something. Let's start off with this box here. I'm not gonna open this, I'm just gonna put up a picture, but it's one of those 3-tier storage carts. I bought it because every YouTube video said I needed one, and I did go visit my dorm and they do have pretty good storage, but I still do think I kind of want a little more. If I don't need it, I'll return it. First, we have a spatula in here. I didn't really get like that many cooking supplies because one, I can't cook. That's why I got a pan and a pot. 2 things I make: ramen, eggs, and also a spoon. In addition to that, I got some white nail polish, and I got some Colossal mascara. This mascara is good. Honestly, any Maybelline mascara is good. I don't think they have a single bad mascara. Next, I also got this shower liner because we do get our own showers. Also from Walmart, it's downstairs because I didn't feel like bringing it up. I got a broom. Next one, I got this pack of 8 Dove soaps, and this is unscented. For our body acne people, you get me. I see you, you see me, we see each other. I got a pack of 8. I got some Comet to clean my bathroom. Also, links to everything down below. Next, we have a bag from Dollar Tree. Basically, it's off-brand Windex. My mom has one of these, and it works perfectly fine, just like Windex. I got these bowls. It's 2 of them, and it comes with 2 tops from the dollar store. I only really needed 1, but they came with 2. So I'm like, you know, accepted that dorms don't really let you have candles, and I'm a candle lover. Like, anytime my room smells a little depression-y, I clean and I light a candle, and I feel so much better. But they said no, so we got this. I have a wall plug-in, so we'll just put that in the wall. I didn't get a surge protector because when I visited the dorms, they had like a lot of plugs. Like they have like, I think 5 or 6 of them. I didn't feel like I needed that many things because 1, I'm not going that far. 2, I already have a lot of the stuff in my house, so why should I go buy it if I already have it here? Next, from Walmart, we all know and love these. These are like 50 cents. So I got 2 cups. Not that I don't know if I'll be inviting people over because usually I don't really have people over. But if I do and I want to give them a drink of something, cups, 1 bowl, and then 2 plates. Once again, if I have people over. Go into one of the fails. This I bought in May when I thought I was gonna live in one of the other dorms which have twin beds. I live in a dorm that has full beds, so this is twin XL bed sheets that aren't gonna fit anything. I didn't get any bed sheets for full bed that they offer because the bed I had before this was a full bed, and I can't return her anymore, and she's like this blush pink color. Next one, let's do both items. This is from the dollar store. It's like one of these plastic shower caddies. Even though people told me not to get it, I don't care. I'll just wash it. And I got some Scotch-Brite copper coated scrubbers. I couldn't tell you what these are called for real. People who speak multiple languages like this, like, they have some words they don't really know the name in English, because to me this is a pie effect. I got some all-purpose cleaner with bleach. I didn't really want the one with bleach because bleach is so irritating to me. All-purpose cleaner is just gonna do me right. Next, I have a Scrub Mommy. I keep seeing this on TikTok, so I bought it. I got some spoons. These come with 3, and I got a knife. And Jane, where are your forks? It's not that I don't like forks. It's just I am very specific about the way my cutlery is. I do not like big spoons and big forks. And all they had at Walmart were big forks, and I just couldn't buy it. My mom wants me to come back every 2 weeks because I'm not really going that far. So I got a travel toothbrush case. And with the fact that we have our own bathroom, it comes with a little more responsibility of you have to actually clean that. So we got this scrubber. Okay, let's go into the box from Five Below that came in today. We got this blue Sherpa blanket. Also, Five Below is low-key a scam because you think everything's Five Below, but no. they have stuff for more money than $5 below. I was looking in store and they have stuff for like $10-20. It was like $5 below. Understanding, but like inflation high. I count this as like the first thing I bought for my dorm. I got these prints from Free Prints. If you don't know what Free Prints is, they used to get like 85 free prints each month, but they're only 4x6. And you know, it's a cheaper alternative to going to CVS. Next, I saw this on Pinterest, and like many things, I had to buy it. But I think I'll really use it. It's a disco ball, and you just put it in the light and it looks really pretty. I'll put pictures up, and when it spins, it like does something different. And I really like the 80s, of course. Also very cheaply made. Like a piece of glass fell off of it. Like if you look at the bottom, you could see that it's just a foam ball and somebody like super glued things to it. Question, like, why was disco balls so popular? What is the history between disco and disco balls? Let's go to stuff that isn't here right now. Mainly because one, I either didn't order it yet, or two, just isn't gonna come in time. This package of stuff, I put it for this address and not my school address. And so I got a bag, those hot and cold water bags. I always would see them on TV and I always would want to get them. So I got some because, you know, I have cramps sometimes. Also, I forgot to get ibuprofen or like any Tylenol. So I'm gonna have to order that as well. I got one of those crates. I see them and they're so cute. Like you could stack them and they're just so cute. They come in such cute colors. I got a utility knife basically to open my packages. I got a carabiner. In my mind, every time I see the word carabiner, I want to say carbonara, but carbonara is a food and my mind just is always on pasta for whatever reason. And then this is one of my favorite things. I saw the specific. I didn't even know about this. I didn't even know this existed until I heard it from Keegan acting. It's basically the straps for your bed so your bed sheets don't slip off. What's going on? I swore I ordered plants. Yeah, I did order. Oh, it's on the next page. Sorry, my brain doesn't always work. Ordered some plants, some fake plants. I visited my dorms at my school. I thought they would have like shelving on the desk. They don't. But like this kind of storage rack for your desk, and there are these heart-shaped dishes. I thought they were so cute. But I'm also getting a mattress pad because my mom told me, oh, you don't need a mattress pad. If I don't need it, I'll return it. But I felt the bed and it felt like a leather couch. Everything that I bought for school, get some more things. Like if I get there and I'm like, oh my goodness, I need to go get this, then I'll go buy that. But I think I'm pretty good with everything I have here. I did, you know, try to save money because college is already expensive as is. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe to see more college content. Follow me on all my socials. They'll be here and down below. I'm Jane and I'm outie.